GPS says leave the road, the compass she ain't no good. Man, we're really out here in this backwoods. Some say it's the boondocks, some say it's off grid. We're Bear and Dawn, we're RVB. Well, we're just kind of getting started on cleaning stuff up, making it our own. Not that it's super dirty in here, the rig really is super clean. Man, Dawn's hard at it. In the kitchen where she belongs.
Hey. Okay. Wow.
That one's one that.
That one you brought out earlier, we should have got a picture of that.
Yeah, I would say there was a couple of them where they were all the way around.
Your little Allen, that Allen locks in place. That cap on there is a little bit bigger, so we are going to need to get a bigger socket for that guy.
Yeah, just really grateful to have those guys. They did a great job, didn't they? Discount tire.
Yeah, they did a great job.
That spare had been on there for the whole time.
Yeah, it was like 23 years old.
Yeah, it was a 23-year-old Firestone.
Crazy.
But we saw the roof, and I know there's a big controversy about whether you should just do more Dicore or use the Eternabond tape.
Right.
And we didn't have any leaks. It looked pretty good, but we went Eternabond.
We did. We got up there and put that tape up there.
Well, we didn't, but you did.
Well, I did.
You climbed up really good.
Yeah, it was very frightening actually because I'm afraid of heights. But hey, it got on, it got done, so.
Yeah, you did a great job. I mean, really, it was hot.
Yes.
Well, we thought it was hot, but it was only 90.
Well, yeah, compared to what it is the last few days, not so much.
Yeah, we've had hundreds here in Texas.
Right.
Early heat here in Texas, but yeah, we decided to go with that Eternabond. Didn't have a leak, didn't have nothing, but just, I don't know, everything I've seen, I just, the way I want to go. I want to have 2-3 years where I got to worry about checking anything, you know?
Right, I don't want to have to get up there and do this again for a while, if ever.
Yeah. And we'll see, but that Eternabond, they say it can last 18 years.
Right, we'll find out.
I mean, I've seen huge extravagant claims, you know?
Right.
We'll see.
Right. Time will tell, as my mother used to say.
But I just figured, you know, with the Dicore, you got to do it every year or two.
Right.
Every year and a half, really.
I don't even know if I can ever get up there again, actually, so.
But not that we couldn't have somebody get up there and do it, but.
Yeah, well.
But they charge like $1,000 to do this work now, so.
Right. It's only money.
And I don't blame them when I see you up there sweating so hard. Man, you're sweating and hot. But you did a great job, honey.
Thank you.
You really did.
Thank you. I did my best. It wasn't easy, but.
I'd like to give your age so people could be proud of you, but.
Well, you can kind of give it.
She's over 60.
There you go.
I'm not, of course.
Oh, yeah, you're not. Sure. Uh-huh. Yeah.
I can't believe, though. We're both so afraid of heights. I still couldn't believe it. You were up on that roof doing that.
It was kind of free. I was so determined. I knew that we wanted to seal it up, make it, look decent, and I didn't want to wait for leaks to come. I wanted to get it done.
And that Eternabond is looking real good. A couple of places there, people might go, oh, it looks like it's peeling up or something. But that's just that black glue. It's got like a real gooey bottom to it.
Right.
And that's why you got to rub it or use a roller. We bought a roller.
Yeah, I had that roller up there.
And you were rubbing it to make sure it activated.
Right.
But man, this
that's all on there good.
Once that Eternabond activates, I know people hate it because it's hard getting it off, but isn't that the point?
Right. You don't want to just fall off.
Right.
Oh.
But yeah, I think we did a good job doing that. Congratulations, you did a great job, honey.
Yay!
It really does look good. Look at that roof. It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Very nice job. So anyway, we just wanted to kind of show you some of the stuff we've been doing. We've been doing a lot more. We want to get out there and start traveling. Even in the heat, we're going to go. We got to break this rig in, get it out there for its trial run,
Right, do a few odds and ends, make sure we're good to go.
The old, tour where you get out there and see what they're doing, you know, see how they're operating. We know we got a couple of things to fix. I know we got to do a water pump. You know, that's common in a rig that's sit. And I think I got some stink bugs in my water heater, but other than that, she's knock on wood.
You're right.
She's doing real well.
We're getting there.
We're happy with her. But yeah, you made that roof look beautiful to me.
Thank you.
Looks so good. So, all right, well, we'll talk to y'all next time. I'm Bear.
I'm John.
And we are RVBFE. Get out there.